JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight, human-readable data format built on key-value pairs. It's excellent for data interchange. We utilize JSON for web APIs, configuration files, and data storage, due to its language-independent structure and easy machine parsing. In Python, create JSON by converting dictionaries or lists with the JSON module. JSON dumps my_dict converts Python objects to a JSON string. To write to a file, use JSON dump my_dict file_object.
To read from a file, JSON load file_object. For JSON strings, JSON loads JSON_string, passes them back to Python.
The example demonstrates how Python's JSON module facilitates the conversion between Python objects and JSON format, essential for data interchange and storage. It initializes a sample_data dictionary, showcasing common data types like strings, numbers, booleans, lists, nested dictionaries, and none, which directly map to JSON data types. This structure is typical for configuration settings or API responses, illustrating when JSON files are useful for structured, human-readable data.
The JSON dumps function converts the Python dictionary into a JSON formatted string, with the indent equals 4 argument ensuring pretty printing for readability. Following this, JSON loads performs the reverse operation, parsing the JSON string back into an equivalent Python dictionary, demonstrating how data can be serialized and deserialized in memory. These methods are ideal for working with JSON data received or sent over network connections as strings.
For file-based operations, the JSON dump function writes the Python dictionary directly to a file, product_data, JSON in this case, creating a persistent JSON file on the disk. Subsequently, JSON load reads the JSON content from this file, converting it back into a Python dictionary. This workflow illustrates how JSON files can be created, stored, and then retrieved for application configuration, logging, or local data storage, completing the cycle of file-based JSON handling.